You done been in school all day, work all night, tryna pay them bills and buy things you like. Do it for them kids, tryna change their life. They don't know the
Grand Rising, Kings and Queens. Happy Thursday. 6:24. Putting on my rings. The kids are awake. Should be brushing their teeth. Coffee is brewing because I prepared it last night. We're about to get dressed. I need to grab an undershirt. Knees snap, crackle, and popping. Goodness gracious. Okay. It is Exceptional Children's Week at my school. So we're wearing shirts for neurodivergent people, people on the spectrum, etc. This is my shirt for today. Now let's get dressed. I need to clean my room, so don't judge me. I'm putting y'all up on the towel dresser so I can put on my perfume. Lord.
Getting ready for school. And I'm ready for school, but I stuff on. Mommy, this shit is too small for me.
It's okay. Just tuck in your undershirt and we'll get you some new ones soon. Don't fall this time. I'm just trying to grab my perfume right behind you. I've been wearing these perfumes that Ryan got me in the outlet in Florida.
Can I wear it too?
Mm-hmm.
It's for girls only.
I don't know. It's for whoever likes to wear perfume.
Daddy wears perfume.
Daddy wears cologne.
Huh?
Daddy wears cologne.
Cologne?
Yeah. Alright, let's go downstairs. Get your medicine.
Okay.
And get your brothers. Same place it always is, ma'am. Same command. Try not to hang your dirty stuff on the clean clothes, okay? We need real coats today. It's cold. Bless you. Bless you. Bless you. Rayne, I found your sweater yesterday. Your school sweater. Oops. It's downstairs. Can you please go get ready while you standing here in this robe?
I'll get ready.
You're going to take the robe off. You're going to leave the robe upstairs where it belongs.
But it's too soft and I'm too cold. How much this at school? It's like this. Can I wear mine?
Under your real coat out. I don't even know why I just put y'all down. You about to make me coffee. Girl, my light bulb over here broke. I gotta replace it. It's on upstairs. I just haven't had around to it. So my coffee has brewed. It brews at 6:20. It is now 6:34. We got French vanilla, caramel syrup instead of sugar, but it's still sugar. Bless you, bless you, bless you. But I do think I use a lot less caramel syrup than I did actual sugar. Add a little bit of French vanilla because the flavor is not where I want it to be. Now we refill our water, which is full already because I refilled it last night and forgot to take it upstairs. So I'm just gonna take it all the way to the top. You got your coat?
Huh?
You got your coat? Where is it? Look in the closet. You need your coat.
I looked in it already.
I gotta clean out my lunchbox because it's like I had some Sour Patch watermelon, so it got all the sugar in the bottom. Rayne moving stuff. I just made my lunch last night. Y'all saw dinner last night if you watched the previous video. We had sausage rice bowls. So I just made a sausage rice bowl and grabbed me a banana for a snack.
Yeah.
My Girl Scout cookies.
And this.
Stop.
For breakfast.
My donut. My breakfast. This countertop is so sticky. I need to clean the kitchen when I get home.
I got and she has her hot coffee.
Yeah, put it down for you. Hot, burn yourself. What time is it? 6:42. My alarm is going off in 1 minute. Us to leave.
So we need
To go to work/school. So we'll put y'all down. We're gonna head out. And we'll see y'all when we get back. We are home. My brother got his coat on because it turned back to be winter. No, Rayne gonna be sitting on the couch on punishment while the boys go play. The children are on a 15-minute quiet time because they weren't being quiet while we were at work/school. Well, they weren't sitting down using their inside voices. They were standing up, moving around, and yelling like psychos. So, yeah. Anyways, I turned on the camera because A, we're home, and B, I got a package. I'm excited. I don't know what to put y'all. I got stuff everywhere. Slide the blanket back. There we go. Perfect. For real, I'm finna get under the blanket. It's cold. We got a package from Walmart. This is a... Who inspired me to get this? Taja, I think. Riley, go get me scissors. In the kitchen drawer. I don't care nothing about you having no attitude with your stinking dirty butt. Go, hurry up, hurry up. Why your butt stinking, you dirty.
Stop.
She's steady pointing trying to make people get in trouble, but she's the only one doing stuff.
No, you good. You sitting in the behind the couch next to nobody.
I thank you kindly.
Don't do nothing. Just sit there.
I knew it. I bet you it's upside down. Riley, leave me alone. Cool child. So this is an item very similar to an item that I've been wanting since they came out, and for whatever reason I just never got one. Finally got one. I wanted the Alexa show, but I like Google better, so I got a Google Nest Home. Unbox it with me, guys. I think this is the second generation. I have no idea what generation they're on, but yeah. I'm gonna set it up in the kitchen, but not right now. Right now I'm sitting in front of the space heater because it feels amazing. I'm supposed to be doing yoga, but I'm really tired. So that's a debate. Yes, Jeremiah.
Is that the thing that they put in the kitchen and you tell her to show you the front yard and backyard and stuff?
It is, Jeremiah.
Get right.
You got it right. Now, shh. I need to sit on the floor. Scoot, scoot, scoot. Scooty McScooters. Oh, that thing clunky. make a TikTok. Let's make an unboxing video. Y'all still got, huh? Oh. Yeah, Rayne, are you done showing out? You. Turn this light on. Ooh, look how pretty it is. Romeo, I hear you. You're going to be quiet for 30 more minutes by yourself. Oh, it's so little. This is what it looks like. The whole back of it is the speaker. So this is the instructions. Do we read instructions? Sometimes. Get the Google Home app. I have that already. Oh, that's it? Oh, that's easy. I have Google Home. I just downloaded that the other day. Oh, snap. I can make calls on this thing? No. Microphones are built in, so you can ask the Google Assistant to help make calls and more. Audio is only sent to Google Nest Home when it detects you're interacting with the assistant, such as after you activate it by saying, "Hey Google," or when you are using a feature that relies on audio. For example, audio calling or sound sensing. So, like, I think that once I connect it to my phone, because I have Google Home on my phone already, when I connect it to my phone, it'll probably automatically connect it to my Google account. So it'll have my phone numbers that are in my phone. I think it recognizes the voice that, it'll probably recognize the voice that I programmed on my phone. But then I don't know, because the kids be able to do it too. Riley, say, "Hey Google."
Hey Google.
Wait. Now say it.
Hey Google.
Yes, you say it.
Hey Google.
Yeah, so it recognizes my voice. Which is crazy, because when I say it, Ryan's phone listens to me too. We're gonna go set it up. Y'all, so let me tell y'all how tired I am from work. Exhausted. I don't know if it's from work or it's because the last 2 days I haven't been getting a lot of sleep. I woke up at 2 something. Tuesday night and Wednesday night. Yeah. I'm tired. Excuse me. After I finished unboxing and making a video, which I haven't edited yet, which I'm about to edit that one, and I'm about to edit my one where I did my bulletin board at work. I'm gonna edit both of those so I can upload them on TikTok and on Reels. But y'all, I'm tired. I ordered wings for the adults. I just put a pizza in the oven for the kids, and I'm sitting here watching Broken on Netflix. It's a docu-series about manufacturing, and I'm about to just edit my videos that I was working on last night. The cleaning video, which I finally got everything, all the footage on the computer and all the footage in order in iMovie. So now I'm just about to actually edit it, and since it's a cleaning video, it shouldn't take that long, but it is like 2 hours worth of footage, so we'll see. Ryan is out there working out. My brother went outside. I don't know where he went. Okay, the kids are upstairs. Excuse me. They upstairs causing bedroom earthquakes. I don't know what's happening. They having fun, so yeah. I'm about to edit, and I actually might not vlog anymore tonight. I really might just put today with tomorrow, but tomorrow is Friday, so I might do a weekend vlog for tomorrow. So I might put today with yesterday. Probably not. I don't know. We'll see. I might just upload a short video today. I might vlog some more tonight. I don't know. It is 5:30. It's so early still. I thought it was so much later than this. My face is changing colors because my fish tank light is changing colors because the kids touched it. So there's that. I got my Google Home set up. I like it. It's cute. It sounds really good. I had listened to Vance Ruger. It sounded good. It sounded good. And I got the little, for the background, I put pictures and it's changing. It's cute. But yeah, so I'm gonna push play on Broken and get to editing.
Do it for them kids tryna change their life. They don't know the grind tryna change your life.